every month we have to evaluate our crews on the proficiency of their loading abilities. Each member has to come down here and we as Load Barn evaluate them loading different munitions each quarter. Loading, we have 3 positions on each crew. The one man is in charge of the overall load. They run the PMA. They tell the 2 and the 3 men which way to go, where to be going. So a 2-man does all of the aircraft prep side of things, so he'll prep all the stations, while the 3-man is on the trailers prepping all the munitions for the load. As an evaluator, we're ensuring that all our members are following the TOs correctly and performing the job to the checklist and the TOs.